Hi Crafty Angels, Nancy here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with Project Share with a few projects that I did on my channel on Saturday, June 11th, with a few guests on my channel. And I will have all their links and a link to that video in the description box. Okay? And what I did is I made some tags. I made pockets. This is going to be a pocket when I put it in my journal. Here's a pocket. Okay. This is a pocket. This one. Let me see. I can put it in like this so everything is secure. I made a bookmark. Here we have another pocket. A small master board. A big master board. It ain't gonna fit in here. Oh, it did fit. Woohoo! And then we got a top pocket here. They're made with book paper, wallpaper, scrapbook paper, and stuff like that, okay? And then here, I made my own washi tape. What I did was took some double-sided tape and some, what they call it, scrapbook paper, and put the double-sided tape on the back and cut them all on my paper trimmer. Okay, so that is all of my projects that I wanted to share with you guys. So, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be safe, be crafty, be positive. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now. Be blessed.